Good afternoon from Revolution Realty. It's Effie here at 5100 Rebecca in Metairie. Beautiful house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, completely renovated. Amazing neighborhood, walking distance to the lake and any other thing you could possibly want. Bathrooms and kitchen all remodeled. Amazing home, must see, perfect for anybody, a family, single person, couple. It's the right amount of space and has every amenity. As you can see, it has a fireplace. It has an amazing renovated kitchen, upscale appliances, wet bar, perfect for partying. We have an amazing dining room. Best feature of this, between this room and this room, they both look out into the backyard. You can open up both sets of French doors. Voila, you have open flow between front and back, in and out. As you can see, both bathrooms completely renovated, natural tumbled stone. Huge master bedroom, wood floors, and check this out. The tub is so huge that you don't even need a shower curtain to shower in the master. Call me for a showing.